My name is Mike Fiffik, and I'm a small business attorney, and I'm here to talk to you about successfully bootstrapping your startup business. So you've got a great business idea, but you're not ready to take on either investors or in a position to borrow some money. But there's good news. There are plenty of successful businesses that were built without any outside money when they got started. And I'm here to talk to you about some tips on how to do it the right way. So tip number one, start with a business plan. Before you spend a dollar or sign any type of a contract, put your idea on paper. A business plan forces you to think through your market, your costs, your competition, and your path to revenue. A roadmap doesn't guarantee that you're going to get to the destination that you hope for, but it significantly improves your odds of getting there. Here's a local resource that I'd encourage you to check out. Your local Small Business Development Center, SBDC. They offer free and low-cost classes, workshops, and one-on-one advising, especially to help startup entrepreneurs build solid business plans and take advantage of it. The SBDC network in Pennsylvania has regional centers across the state, including Pittsburgh, Harrisburg, and Philadelphia. This is a free resource that most bootstrappers don't even know about and overlook. Tip number two, revenue before perfection. Don't wait for the perfect product or website. Get a paying customer first. Proof of concept is very important. Cash flow is oxygen for a bootstrap business. You need it to keep going. You can't fund it out of your own pocket forever. Tip number three, protect your personal assets from day one. So before you want to form a limited liability company or a corporate entity before you start getting customers and taking on some money. It can protect your personal assets from business liabilities. And that's very important whenever you are funding this business out of your own pocket. Open a separate bank account right away and run your business out of that account. And don't run it out of your personal checking account. Bootstrapping means that you're personally funding this endeavor. Don't let a lawsuit wipe out both your business and your personal savings simultaneously. This is a structural cost that you shouldn't skip even when you're watching every dollar at the very beginning. So tip number four, know where your money is going. You've got to track every expense from day one. And you should distinguish between essential spending and maybe aspirational spending. Your books for your business that you keep tell the story of what your business is doing right and what it's doing wrong. And here's a warning, sloppy record keeping can create problems down the road for you, either in disputes with business partners and especially if you ever are going to seek outside funding later. An investor or a lender is going to want to know what the story of your business is, and they want to look at your books because that's what tells the story. Final tip, use contracts, not handshakes. When bootstrapping, one bad customer relationship or unpaid invoice can sink you. A simple written agreement covering the scope of the service, payment terms, and what happens in the event of a dispute costs very little and saves you enormous headaches. Handshake deals are a mistake that bootstrap businesses can't afford. You're operating on a shoestring budget. A customer dispute can stop all of the momentum that you have and soak up all your resources and kill your business idea. This is especially true for your first few customers. They set the financial tone for everything that follows. So those are my tips. My name is Mike Fiffik. My law firm is Fiffik Law Group. We have offices in Pittsburgh and suburban Philadelphia. Bootstrapping takes discipline, but it's absolutely doable. Start with a solid plan, get paying customers, protect your personal assets, and keep clean books. Put agreements in writing and build it right from the start. If you need help starting up your business or getting it going, if you've already started, we're here to help. You can just click on the link below to schedule a time to give us a call. Thank you.